Okay, hi everyone, my name is Dyllan. I want to share with you my experience in working with Eric. I met Eric back in high school where he was already plucking away, trying to figure out the mysteries of the stock market. Um, I stumbled upon his course when I wanted to get into investment myself, but I felt like I lacked direction. I saw the percentage gains that Eric was able to get off his picks, and I was thoroughly intrigued. I went through the content and I made my first investment in Activision back in June 2019, and I sold it in October 2019 for a 20% gain. My returns would have been significantly higher if I followed his strategy all the way to the end, but unfortunately my account wasn't set up to do so. My second pick was in Alta, which I bought in November 2019, and I sold in February 2020 for a gain of 50%. My two trades was able to pay for a wedding ring and a wedding and maybe even a honeymoon. Eric's investment course is one of the most valuable investments that you can make in yourself for the following reasons. Eric holds your hand and walks through step by step on what he does to analyze the stock at a certain point. You'll be standing on his shoulders for this one because this is 15 years of experience and lessons that he's learned himself. His method will change your perspective on how to view a price of a stock in a market. And after taking the course, I realized most people I know who are very educated, very smart, really don't have any idea what they're doing. This course will provide you a huge competitive edge over the average investor. Number two, Eric provides ongoing support in his weekly coaching calls where you can support questions, stocks you're interested in yourself, and he will conduct a deep analysis and offer valuable insight. If you have no questions yourself, you can just tune in, see what other people are asking, and you can learn that way. Eric also shares with you the positions that he's buying and selling himself. Number three, the initial cash outlay required for this course will really push you to be fully invested in the learning process, because I guarantee that if you were to get the access and get this login for free somehow, the login will be sitting in your inbox unopened for a very long time. So if you're interested in adding an additional stream of income to your yearly number, and you have some funds available to you and you're not satisfied with what the bank is typically able to offer you, I highly recommend Eric's investment course, as it's one of the most valuable investments you can make in yourself. Thank you.